2, 1, go!
Match 9 is off. Blue Alliance starting strong. We have Robotics scoring a few fuel into the hub for the Blue Alliance. Then joining a number of other robots in the neutral zone. Both Cash Money and Naperville Husky Robotics are back from the neutral zone and ready to score. Husky Robotics with their signature move of camping out next to the outpost and unleashing a flurry of fuel. That helped earn the Red Alliance the lead as we move into the transition shift. And Cash Money and Naperville Husky Robotics are both able to squeeze in another cycle in that 10-second transitional shift. Now they're both in the middle of the field trying to scoop up as many fuel as they can to feed it back to the red zone. Meanwhile, Robotics is camped out in their red zone trying to intercept and starve the Red Alliance for fuel. Over on the blue side of the field, Robotics are trying to squeeze in another cycle up against defense from Terra Cyborg. We're now in our third shift of the match. That means the Red Alliance's hub is activated. We have two main offensive robots for Red Alliance. That's Husky and Cash Money. They're fending off defense from Robotics, who so far has not been able to slow down the Red Alliance too much. They're now putting pressure up against Husky. Red Alliance is up by almost 100 points with 1:15 left in play. That's not an insurmountable gap like we've seen over on the blue side of the field. Robotics trying to let off a few fuel into the hub. They're successful. Their partner Terra Cyborg is needing to fight against some defense from Starbots, who are putting defensive pressure on the Blue Alliance from Red. Back over on the red side of the field, the refs are engaged in counting down some pin counts, which means the Robotics is putting a lot of pressure on these red robots who are up 168-64 with 35 seconds remaining. Naperville Husky Robotics lining up and able to get in another cycle, going back and forth between them and Cash Money. Meanwhile, we've got Starbox and Robotics both duking it out in the neutral zone as a race to get as many fuel to their alliance's side of the field as possible. 15 seconds remaining. Husky Robotics, no defense in sight, are left free to score as many fuel as they want. Their partner Cash Money doing the same. We've got about 5 seconds remaining. A few fuel added from the blue human players. 2, 1. We're ready to see our scores for match number 9. It's the Red Alliance taking the win. They earn 261 points to Blue's 73. A really strong showing by our fourth alliance that's going to propel them to the next round in the lower bracket. They're going to be moving on and competing again during match number 2.